Hello, hello. Let's see what theme is. Illumination. White out. Freezing out. That could be cool. That could also be cool. That's also cool. These are giving me cool ideas to do with the things, but let's see. Let's start with making a new repository. Now. Yeah. Oh shit. What the fuck? That looks about right. Create. Publish. Keep this private. Publish. PB of the game jam. What does PB mean? Let's take up this and let's refresh. Let's see if we can repositories. Let's go into this. Let's add team members. Add people. So we're gonna be adding this one, Suselos, and we're gonna be adding Crabite. That's all good stuff. Now tell them they are invited. I guess I'll also post the stream in the thing, even though it's just gonna be a short stream. That could still be cool. Okay, next step. Let's open up Godot. And let's make a new one inside of the thing. What am I doing? Github. 64. Select. That's good. Non-empty folder, but I think it's only, yeah, that's correct. Okay. I want to start with organizing the project, I guess, with setting up the folders. So we're gonna do that. New folder, assets. I'm also gonna try the thing where you color code the stuff. I think that's pretty cool. Let's see, so I spell everything right. Scenes, I think that's about right. What else? Scripts. Builds. And docs. And inside of these ones, audio. Inside of audio, music and SFX. Should they be all caps? No, let's keep it lowercase. Inside of builds, let's make one for HTML5. Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Instead of the documentation, let's put the README. Scenes, we're gonna want levels. Up the music a little bit. It's a little bit too low on the volume. So what did I make now? I made the levels one. Menus. And I think that's good for now. Let's make one for the players. I think that's all the folders I want. I want builds at the bottom. No, I want docs at the bottom actually. Can't I move them? Why can't I move it? You can't move folders? Whatever. Let's set the color. Docs, I want that gray. Assets. Make it yellow maybe. Builds could be what color? Maybe pink. And this one should be green. Let's make scripts. What color? Maybe purple. I think purple is a little bit too dark though. Maybe that's because of the night mode, but yeah. Red, orange. Maybe just orange. Yeah, that's better. Why can't I? Let's put this inside of assets. I like this. Move, duplicate to. Can I move it? That's not so important. I'll commit this now. Start. Let's just call it start. That's good. That's good. What else do I want to do? Discord server got a new logo, that's cool. But I really want ducks at the bottom. Maybe I have to move them in the file manager. Is that in the same order? Scene scripts, yeah. Can you move it here? Or is it based on like name? Interesting. So I basically just wanted to make this little quick thing tutorial and maybe like block out a little bit and then go to sleep. CSG combiner, CSG box. Let's also make a grid texture. I like this one. That's good. Let's use the Unreal one. I like that one. Shaker Alpha Outline. I think, yeah, that's the one I want. Click to save. Let's drag this into the project. Did it import? Got into the docs. Let's put it in assets. I'm gonna have a textures one later, but that's gonna be automatically created by Blender when I make the models. So I'll rearrange it later. Let's drag this into the material and UV1, try playing their own world. Okay. Now we're cooking. Illumination, what does that mean? Isn't that the company that makes minions and stuff? Illumination. Yeah, it's the company. What does it mean? Is it like glowing stuff? I think that means glowing. Yeah, like glowing or something. See dictionary. Light or light. Lighting or light. Light, glitter, flash, glow, glowing. I guess I'll show the thing to you guys. Decoration. Yeah, but this fits into what I was wanting to make. So basically we're making a tower defense game, so that's gonna be cool. Let's make this bigger. That's about good, I think. Duplicate that and make it something like that. And I kind of want a kind of staircase in the middle. So let's, that's right. Let's move it like that. Should I rotate it? Or is there a better shape for making staircases? Maybe the mesh, but I'll just rotate it. I don't care. Turn off the grid. That's good. I thought out the layout in my head, how I kind of want it, and in the middle, like a staircase. Let's see. And then on the sides, have like small walkways where the turrets are like safe. Maybe move it. Yeah, that's good. Why can't I click it? Let's make this bigger because I want them to be able to come from the side as well. I can barely see the thing with this in the way. Made it 2 out, so let's make it 2 out. Let's move that back as well. This is the shape, alright. Now I want kinda walls. Maybe I should have just, what do you say? Done like a big box and subtraction inside of it. But I think this is better. Let's rotate this. Move it over to the side here. Let's see if anyone on the Discord has answered. Not yet. So we'll keep doing this. I hate that I can't select the thing when I click it. That's perfect. How do I want it now? I want this one to go to the sides, maybe higher up as well. This needs to go up, this needs to go up, and this needs to go up. Or make it thicker. Let's just make it like that. It's not so important for this, what do I call it? This prototype blockout thing. Yeah, I kinda like that. So basically, let's see if I can duplicate. So my idea is that there would be like a mining machine, mining glowing rocks or something, and that will be in the center of this. But I want to move this back a little bit. Let's make it something like that. So the mining machine will be here. I should probably change the color of this one. Or will it change for everything? Yeah, I need to make it unique. Albeit, let's make it black so we can see. Maybe not that black, maybe just gray. So we can still see the color. That's good. Already been live for 20 minutes. What did I do for those 20 minutes? Let's put that back. Now it's starting to mess things up. That's okay. Maybe just keep them straight. doesn't really matter that there's like stuff going on here, but I think it's fixed if I just move that up. No, that fixed it, but that yeah, but it's not so important because this is blocked out. Let's duplicate this, and I kind of wanted to like curve here at the corners, like maybe something like that. Let's duplicate that. Go to this other corner. It's not the prettiest, but it will do. I realized that I want some more space. Where should the waves come from? I think this is about okay. Starting to look like a level now, a little bit. Let's see how big things are. I don't know how big they need to be for the thing, because the programming dude is gonna make it like a grid building placement. So this might need to be like adjusted later. No, I can't click this again. No, I can't. That. I think I'm gonna like curve the corners later, or I can just do it now. Let's turn it around a little bit. Make something like that. Doesn't need to be so big. Just like that. Let's just keep it big. And then I'm thinking a big hole in the middle here. And that's where the enemies come from. So let's do subtract on that one. It's not so pretty because this thing, I think I need to make it thicker. Oh, not that, that's the wrong one. That's better. It's a little bit weird, but it doesn't matter. So this is basically gonna be inside of a cave, I think, with maybe like light coming in from the roof or something. Let's see. Check that blenders is working, and I can move that. It should be working, but just to make sure, I'll make like just a cube and import it. And I'm thinking I'll import it with my texture as well that I'm gonna be using. Using shading. Let's make a new image texture, open that up. Let's see, radiant 64. That fits with the name for the jam as well, so that's perfect. UV editing, unwrap. Let's make this brown. That's perfect. Perfect. Test. I should call it text. What text? Just box. Let's check inside of. Oh, I think I saved it in the wrong place. I think I did. Let's just do save as. This one instead of assets. Not inside of. Because I think it maybe creates one by itself. save Godot. Or maybe I need to create a folder myself. Oh yeah, that's what I said. Textures. So let's put this one inside of textures as well. And I kind of want to save this one as a ready-made one. I'll just call it orange grid. Put that inside of that as well. Perfect. Let's make a new folder for Blender. And let's put that box inside of Blender. I want the textures to be gray. And I want this one to be orange maybe. What color sticks out the most? I like green maybe. And audio can get orange. I think it doesn't really matter, but yeah. Let's check that it works when I drag it in. Yes sir. Yes sir. Wait 1 second. I'm back. Can I do that? Duplicate and rotate them. Yes sir. Let's make those corners kind of nice as well. I have an idea where... What was the theme again? I need to check. It was something about trash or something. So maybe that there's trash on the map and you can like pay to remove it. And that allows you to place on that location. That could be a cool thing, I think. But maybe instead of trash, there's like a crystal or something, glowing crystal. That's in the way, so you pay to remove it. Let's see what it was. Trash everywhere. Some actions leave the player with waste/junk. I don't know if you're supposed to think about trash everywhere, as in you can do what it like you can do how you want, or you need to make it that the actions you do leave waste. I'm not sure. I think if we do that one, it's probably just gonna be trash everywhere. Maybe not perfect, but yeah. What else do I wanna do before I go to sleep? Let's see. I should probably commit this. Did I save? Let's save this tutorial. Let's put that inside of... Oh yeah, I remember what I wanted to do now. I wanted to test the builds work. Levels, that's perfect. Save and commit. Tutorial scene. That's pretty much it. Because for the last jam I did, the things didn't work, the builds. So when I exported it, it didn't work. Still can't move it. It's annoying. Because I want dogs at the bottom. That's perfect. Projects. No. Export as. No, that's not the right one either. Export. Add. Web. Windows. Linux. macOS. Export path, builds, and this is the one. Can I save file with empty? Oh, I need to. I think they wanted it to be called index when I last checked, so I'm gonna be doing that. guess it doesn't matter if all of them are called index or not. Why does Mac need to be the annoying one? Invalid bundle. I didn't get this one to work last time either. Bundle identifier missing. Bundle identifier com.example game. I have to check this one out. Godot export Mac OS. What did it say? It said bundle. Let's make it full screen and let's see what they say. I don't really want to read that shit. Let's see if we can find a faster answer. Why no good answer? Let's see if there's a good video on it. Export to Mac.
Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to Mac OS. Now in bundle identifier, you can add anything here, as long as it fits this format. So I could type com.game.gwiz and that will work just fine.
com.game.go.wildjam64. Can you have numbers? Maybe you can. Let's see what else he said. What else did he say? This is the one.
In certain cases, your textures can cause errors. Go to project settings, type in S3.
S3. Let's close this down. Project settings S3. What else does he want to say?
Click on textures and import S3TC.
Save and restart. Okay. It looked complicated.
And save and
like
restart.
When the warnings came out, but
Now back to the
doesn't
export
seem
menu,
so
select export project. If you are setting this to
So let's see, maybe I don't even have any errors. No. Warning. Notarization. By gatekeepers? What the hell? If it's downloaded from an unknown source. But those are just warnings. I think it might still work.
to a friend or releasing it, I would suggest deselecting exports. Type in S3,
That's
just
everything
fine.
you did,
In
right?
identifier, you can run that. Manage Godot 4. So you
See, so I didn't miss anything.
manage export templates, then select download and install. And once you've done that, head over to
I'm pretty sure I have the latest one already. Install. Is it this one? No. Which one was it?
project, export to Mac in Godot 4. To get started, head over to editor,
Editor. Yeah, I have it installed. That's perfect. Close. So I think it's
And it
ready to be
to
exported.
a friend. Click on text
Did
project,
he still have the
type in
errors?
click on textures and import S3TC. And save and restart. Now back in the export menu, select
Yeah, you still have
like
the
export
errors,
project.
but that should be fine. Let's put a camera inside of this as well, so I can see that this works. Preview. Let's make this the main scene. Select your. It's okay for now. Perfect. Save.
If you or release bug, extract it, you will have your content. Press save. You will then have a .zip file.
Okay, let's export them all now. Godot. Project. Export. Did I HTML, Windows, Linux, macOS, export all. Choose an export mode, release. I think this is important because complete with warnings, cannot start RC something. Export Windows RC. I wanna look into that because Godot export Windows.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Adding UWP of Store and Xbox.
What's the difference between UWP and Windows Desktop?
Now after that export, we're going to be adding a Windows desktop. We're not going to be adding UWP since this is for this is different than Windows desktop. This is more for like Microsoft Store and Xbox. So add that. I recommend embedding the PCK, but it's completely up to you. This will just make sure that there is not an extra file generated beside the exe file.
Maybe I should have done that. Let's see. Windows embed PCK. Can I do that on everything? Embed. Does this have a PCK? Does this one have a PCK? Nope.
So you can work with the RC edit to change the icon, but I will not be going over that in this video. So ignore all warnings in this tutorial. It will not affect the exported file beyond just the icon being the default Godot logo. So you can change your file version into your company name, to your game name.
So we didn't even show you how to do that. Export Windows RC. But that's like a icon, I think, so it's not so important. Let's set up the itch. Jams. Wild. 64. Submit. I'm gonna make a new one, I think. So let's make a new one. I'm just gonna call it. I think you should be able to change this later, right? I'm just gonna check on a existing one. Yeah, you can change this later. And Godot Wild Jam 64. Upload files. So let's see if I can. Where do I have it? Documents, Github. This one. Builds. Oh yeah, I need to put that into one thing. Builds. Press the zip. And wait, I have no idea what I'm doing. So I need to check what they are doing. Close that down. See web. What are they doing? Hey, are you done already? No, I'm not done. But last jam, the thing was that I couldn't submit only for Windows. So I want to see that everything works like in the start. So that's what I'm doing.
Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing how to export HTML in Godot 4 and run in browser on itch.io. To start off, we probably want to turn this down to compatibility mode. This will allow for, well, as the name implies, better compatibility. Go to editor, manage export templates, just like we did in the exe video.
I wonder if anyone's done like this early. I mean, there's some people like rocket scientists that make games in like 10 minutes. So.
Going to create a new folder. Let's just call it.
But that's not me.
Going to
I just used HTML instead. Yeah, that's what I tried to do for the last jam, but the game was too big for for itch. They have like limitations on it, but this time we won't have that problem.
All the files into here. I'm going to send it. Let's just call it game. IO. Going to upload
How did it do now?
index.html.
Index,
Save
yeah,
that.
name
Now go
it
to wherever you
index.
exported that. Going to create a new folder. Let's just call it
A
game.
new folder. What did he call it? Game. Game.
Going to put all the files into here. I'm going to send it to a
Uh-huh. He puts everything inside of that. So maybe I should remove this one then, because that's what I... Okay, game.
your press zip. All right.
And then he compressed this to zip. And that's zipped.
Now we're going to
Perfect. Let's see if it works now. Compressed. How do I make it web? Downloadable. This file will be played in browser. Perfect. And this is draft, yes, save. And let's see if it works. If I'm correct, it should just show the like camera just looking at what cross origin shared. I have no idea what this means. Let's search it up. See what people say. Godot 4 is multi-threaded engine. In web requires shared array buffer. How do I turn shared array buffer on? How to disable? I think it said I need to enable it. I'm not sure. Let's look again. Following feature required. Cross origin and shared. Web. Maybe I can search for web in the settings. Web. That didn't work, I think. Or did it? Let's search for the other thing. Shared array buffer. Maybe just shared. Advanced settings. Interesting. I have no idea why it's not working now. Any one of you guys, if anyone's watching, you guys know how to fix this. Let's see this other issue. Or maybe I should just try to export it again. Just this one. Was it? Yeah, web. Export. It's called index, and let's do that. And I guess I'll remove everything in here. Put everything in there. And delete this old one. Let's see if that works. Maybe this one should be called index as well, I think. Is that right? I have no idea what I'm doing. Index. Let's see if that works. Was that the video? No, let's go with it. Let's try editing it to see if it works this time. Delete. Make a folder for it. Name it. I can't read it. Name the file index. Then just export this. I think that's what I did now. I'm not 100% sure. So let's see. Does it work? Save view page. I hope that was it. No. I need to think. Not the folder, just the files in it. Okay, we try again. Remove that. So all of this, wait, did I not name it index? Let's look again. So when I export it, well, does it not want to work? It's kind of frozen or what? Let's close that. Export. It doesn't want to work. That's not good. Guess it crashed or something. I don't know. Alt F4. Why does it not want to do anything? Open up Godot again. I'll try again. So project, export, web. So this is correct. And let's delete everything in the thing because let's delete that. Export. I think I'm doing it correct now. Index. This is called index. And I think it's not supposed to be exported with debug, so that's turned off. And now I got the files in here. He made a new folder, so I'm gonna do that as well. Let's call it game, okay? Select everything, drag it into this, compress to zip, and call that game as well, okay. If it doesn't work now, I don't know what. It feels like I just did this, like, but I don't know. This will be played in browser. Kinda wanna get this working within like 10 minutes because otherwise I'll be sad because I need to sleep. Still not working. Dark Rosen. What am I doing wrong? It feels like I'm doing everything right, but it's still not working. What am I doing not right? Is it because I'm using 4.2? Could that have to do with it? You missed a step? In the web page? You mean on the thing here? I made it HTML. Is that the one you mean? You need to turn shader. How do I turn shader array buffer on? See above, missed. Under frame options, edit game. Is that in the thing here or is it inside of frame? Enable scroll bars. Is it this one? I'll try it. No, that's not the one. Am I stupid? Scroll down. This far down or further down? I guess I'll turn that off. Since that was... Oh, wait, it's right here. Experimental. Save. Thank you. I hope that fixed it. And I think it fixed it because now it's loading. Perfect. Let's go. It's really dark, but it worked. Thanks you so much. So now that's perfect. I'm really happy. So now we got the web thing working. Thank you. And basically like simple blockout fixed how I kind of want it. and perfect for bedtime as well. So that's amazing. I'll commit the things I made. What did I make? I made, let's see, I think it was mostly the exports. Yeah, let's just call it exports. Close this, and I think everything works. The most important is that the web works, so I'm happy that that works now. All publishing, perfect. I kinda wanna add one last thing. I want for this project, because it's gonna be first person, I want to try out using occlusion. I think this is the one. Let's see, how do you make one? Bake. Let's see. Bake. That didn't work. Because this is gonna be good for performance, I heard. And I kinda tested it, and it actually does improve performance for me at least. It turned it from like 160 frames per second to like 180, so that's a massive improvement. And I think it's gonna be even bigger improvement if you're using first person. The last one was what was it? Top down, yeah. And I think occlusion doesn't help so much for top down, so that's my, how do you call it, hypothesis. Godot occluder calling.
Hey guys, this is Mitch. Okay, what called? And when you build your occlusion
I need to enable it. Occlusion calling, use occlusion calling, close. I've done this once before, so I should know how to do it.
calling is you're actually
But I don't remember. It wasn't even that long ago.
Up into these cubes. How it worked? We click on our node and add in a child node, and we actually received a new node, and it's under Node 3D, and then Occlusion Instance 3D. So we go ahead and double click on that, and bring that in. You'll see that again, nothing has changed. But if I come over to Occluder, you can see that that's empty, right? Now, how do we add one? Well, if we come up to Make Occluders, we can click on that, and then go ahead and name our Occluder Make. In my case, I'm just gonna call it Test. So go ahead and hit Save. You'll see that's gonna sit there and think about it for a minute, and it just finished. So suddenly you'll see, well, hold on a minute, our FPS went down, right? And our GPU time went up. Why is that? Well, the reason why.
Why didn't it work for me? That's what I did. Maybe it needs to be on top. Or is it because I can't see gizmos? No, I have gizmos enabled, so that's not the thing. OCC. Let's delete this. No. Did I delete the wrong thing? Stocks. Did I delete the wrong thing? Maybe I did. Save. I think it is removed, that thing. Let's check. Assets, scenes, scripts, builds, docs, and yeah, that's right. Let's try this once again. Why does it not want to work? Or is it working? Oh, it doesn't work for CSG boxes, but it does work for my Blender mesh. You can barely see it, but it does work. Did recognize that there's the thing. And to make it more obvious, I'll just put more cubes like this and save it. Why is it still white? I thought I exported, packed the thing. If you want a web build, you might need to change off. We got it working. It was some hidden secret setting in the itch page, but we got it working. He called it something like, let's see if I can find it. Shared array buffer support. This was the one that I needed to enable, and that fixed it. Why is my Blender not saving? Oh yeah, because one was saved in the wrong place. Now it's saved in the right place. Save. Open it up. Now it should work with textures. Still no textures. Why do I have two? Guess I don't want this one then. I want to put this one inside Blender. But now it works. That's crazy. Delete that as well. So it doesn't like being what? Guess I'll make a new folder for Blender. Oh yeah, there already is. I guess I'll drag out these two. And that works. And then remove the textures one, because that's automatically created later. Let's remove the box one as well. And inside of here, let's see. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's delete that as well. And on the Blender, save as assets Blender. Here I want it. And now I pack it. And wait, did it pack? Pack. I don't think it's packed, but we'll see. Yeah, it didn't pack though. Why does it say it's not packing? Unable to find, okay. Does it work now? No textures inside of that. Perfect. Maybe I should have a different one then for textures, like other textures. Textures. And these ones can go in here. Perfect. Everything working. And let's try the occlusion again, with baking it again. And override that. And now it's working with the new things. I'm really happy with this progress. Getting everything set up. 1 hour stream. Tomorrow I will be doing this the whole day, so this was just a short one. what do I want to call it? I think I just did Blender fix and also did occlusion. One of my team members is online now, so maybe start working on it. He likes to work late on the night, so when I come back tomorrow, I'm probably gonna be surprised. I think, yeah, there's not really anything else I wanna do today, and I wanna sleep because that's important. View page. Everything working. Let's close everything down and let's see. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow if I see you.